Happy Saturday. Good morning. I need to start drinking this again. I used this as a prop, but I need to start getting back into drinking this. Random. Made me a festive coffee this morning, some cream and some fall sprinkles and everything. We are up early this morning. It's happy Saturday. I actually have this Saturday off, which never happens hardly, but when I get it, I'm thankful as you know what about it. So, but we'll get a blanket, baby. Wrapped around you, baby. So one child is up early. She's eating her cereal. Let me tell you, it's like yin and a yang with my kids. My oldest one would rather get sleep. She's me. Also, my breakfast is still. I need to go get it. My oldest one rather sleep than eat breakfast this morning. This one right here, she wants breakfast no matter what. Regardless, she has to get up extra early and everything else. So, yeah, I know that was getting nasty. It's okay, it's fast though. Last night I was productive. It's for working how many hours I worked yesterday. I worked 10 hours yesterday. Plus, like, we've been up early yesterday morning too because they're still on fall break. They're still gonna be on fall break. We ain't doing fall break yet. Took them to my parents because they haven't seen them all week. They hung over there while I was at work and came back. Like after work, I picked them up, came home, grabbed me something to eat. They ate at grandma's. I am. I need that. Grandma needs somebody on her team because Papa's got your sister. So, no, not now. No, go get a fusing over there. But we're up early today because I want to get some coffee because last time we did soccer. I didn't get my coffee in the morning. And today I'm like, we're doing it. Because if I have to take it to the field like this. Whatever.
Grandma had a fence car.
Did she?
She had a fence car.
What'd she do to it?
The other wheel.
Oh, Lord.
Grandma had a fence.
I'm gonna knock on one of my car. Oof. But we're up early because I want to eat some breakfast. I want to drink some of my coffee, but I don't finish it. Guess what? It's coming with me. Because I see a lot of moms out there, and I'm over here like, I don't want you to put my coffee cup. My question is, how do they ride with it? Like, drive with it? It's like, I'm holding this, but I'm holding the steering wheel. I don't know about that. You know, sorry for the serpent. And that is the one of your pet peeves. My bad. So, last time I got home, ate breakfast. God, it's early. It's bright and early. Made me some dinner. I sat there for a minute, and then I was like, you know what? We can get stuff done. I have been putting up my laundry for days. So there was like a bunch of laundry. There was a bunch of laundry for them, and then when I opened the dryer, there was more clothes up there. So I'm like, oh my god, we are behind. Packed their clothes because they're going to the mountains. So I packed their clothes, put their clothes up, make sure they clean their room, make sure they clean their play area before they go. So we're kind of busy last night. Then I got their clothes all put up and all their stuff packed. I loaded up the dishwasher, started it because it was getting full. So I might get them to unload it right before we go to soccer. But started that last night. Got my load of laundry that's been chilling in there for a whole dang week from Sunday and Wednesdays. Actually, I didn't even do a load Wednesday. So that was last Wednesday and this Sunday's load. Still chilling in there. Finally put it all up. I pulled out my clothes that I'm wearing today. Put out their clothes they're wearing for their stuff. So having all that done before I went to bed was like, yes. Because I will tell you, this week it's been crazy. Editing and laundry has not been my friend. I've been procrastinating on editing and I've procrastinated on putting laundry up. And I finally got all my editing done Thursday when I was supposed to have it all done Wednesday, but I procrastinated. Got it all done Thursday. Got all my laundry done yesterday. So today, it's a little laid back today. I'm going to the flower show. If you've been around, you know this flower show is not like a flower show. I just explained to somebody yesterday about this, but it's really a farmer's market runs all year round, but the flower show, there's a lot more vendors to check out and everything is a lot more busier and stuff like that. So that's what it is. Put it right there, baby. You go chill with your sister right now, okay? So, yes. You need to make sure you stay charged because you're going to probably need that on the ride, okay? So, that is what I'm doing. Huh? Yeah, that, what? Yeah. Maybe. I don't know. I don't know what she's saying. I mean, us mothers speak a different language, but that right there acting really good. That's okay. I'll figure it out in a minute. So that's what I'm gonna do. I was gonna take the girls, but since my parents are taking them to the mountains right after their soccer games. Yeah, games. There's 2 of them. I am just gonna go going with a friend. Unless my husband gets up and he wants to go. I know one reason why he wants to go. There's a vendor up there that does seafood and we like to buy it from him because it's reasonable price, it's got a variety. So, because my husband wants to do a Loach Country Bowl, question is he's gonna do it today or not. Kind of why I cleaned up last night, just in case we had guests come over today. The dishes is somewhat taken care of. The laundry's out of the way anyway. I'm not gonna let nobody go in that area anyway because the area right there is my catch-all. Like one day I will attack it. One day, I don't know when. Same with their clothes. I'm not going to even show you their closets. One day I'm going to attack all of this, but I don't have the energy. So, and it's going to be a full busy week of work. So I'm going to film 2 videos that will take a week-long one. So I'm trying to, not say come up with a video for the time being, but week-long ones are a lot. Because you just don't come home and chill. You actually have to film. You don't have to film that day. Could have been a lazy evening kind of thing. So, I'm doing 4 10-hour days and 1 8-hour day. Yeah. You're thinking that's 48 hours. I was like, with the way the pay period is, I'm technically doing 40, but I'm doing technically doing 39. No, it's 9 hours, not 8. Heh. I'm technically doing 39 on one thing, and then Saturday. Saturday's our next pay period. It's like, so I'm technically doing 48. Cheers. I wish they would just do Monday, Saturday. No, it is Saturday, Friday. So I'm technically getting my day off. Alright. but I have talked 10 minutes. Oh my god, I did it again. We're going to our soccer game. I'm gonna enjoy my breakfast. I got their clothes pulled out, my clothes pulled out. Their bags are packed. Just gotta load up the car. Gotta make sure their water bottles are good. I'm doing like a to-do list with y'all. And then when I come back, I'll grab the wagon, see my husband's going with me. If not, put my friend up. We're heading out. And we'll just have a fun day. I'm gonna try to get one pumpkin and one mom's and this popcorn they have there. Oh my god. Yeah. Yes. So yeah, let me go eat my breakfast before it gets too cold and all that. I won't have time to eat. For a good minute. After I got back from the soccer thing, I unloaded the dishwasher. Me and my hubby got in the car. You can see clips of us at the farmer's market. I didn't buy that much. I really didn't. So, and I forgot the camera here. So, no, I didn't forget the camera. Forgot the camera this morning. But I did go to Walmart this morning to grab some stuff. And then we went to farmer's market. And then when we came back, we stopped by Food Lion to grab some stuff for dinner. And then I got everything set up. My mom's pumpkins you saw in my wagon. That's what I bought. In the back bags were like seafood. Because there's a place there that's reasonable price for seafood and got a variety. We always get it there when we go. And put it in the freezer until another date. And then we got back. Because I didn't have much. I just got with my mom's there and my pumpkin there and bam, I was done. And we both took a nap. I mean, with our kids gone, it's like the best time to take a nap. And also tomorrow I'm thinking about like just doing laundry. And I have these Lego flowers that I bought. So I'll probably do that and just have just a day at home. And just soak in as much as possible. And then I got one errand Monday, so I'm trying to, tomorrow's gonna be my day. I stay home all day. Alright, but we're gonna start cooking in a minute. But I fixed the bats, which you saw. They were keeping on falling off, so I just needed to put new sticky ones. Also, I ran to rearrange because my husband didn't make sense. It's like the way you had it didn't make sense. And I was like, you right. So I gotta go one better where it is. And then I didn't film this because it's starting to get, lighting is not the best. I swept the living room, especially when my kids are gone. I love the living room spotless because I have the TV going. Usually that never happens. Usually I just go to my room and watch it. But like I told my husband, I was like, I'm so used to having the kids here. I gotta have a little bit of noise. So I will pour me a glass of wine while I cook. Also, we had a little boo-boo the other day. And I did not mean to do this. I really didn't. But if you've been around or you haven't really noticed, there's that plug in and that plug in and that plug in. None of them work. This whole side don't work. Also, I have this fryer. I need to clean it out. That's why so you were saying, why couldn't you put it on this counter to do it? These plug-ins don't work. Those dudes, there's already enough on that one outlet over there, so it's like I do it right here. And when the air fryer was sitting on the it's got a big hole at the bottom of it. We think it's gonna be fine because they don't look like it hit any wires. But we'll try it out. If it starts smoking or something, sadly to say, we gotta toss it. And I'm like, that was an expensive Christmas gift for my husband because it's a instant pot plus a air fryer. So, but yeah, we're gonna try to use it tonight with my salmon and my asparagus. He's gonna have scallops. I have them right there. You can put them in the frying pan. But yeah, pray for me. But I did a big boo boo. You can see. So we're gonna try it out. And y'all gonna be one witness because I'm gonna film it. So if I start smoking, just know.
What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life.
Alright, heads up. I did put it on a minute. See if it did anything, any smoking, anything like that. So, got heat in it. It worked fine. So, I'm gonna put these in and just pray and continue doing it. But I think I just burnt the plastic on the bottom. So, it's fine.
Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers. Don't care what other people say. We're living like this could be our final day. We're dreamers. Don't your type. Somehow I wanna know all about you. Deep connection lights a spark. You already know me when we dance in the dark. We're dreamers. We're living. We're dreamers. We're doing this in our own way. We come alive in the nighttime. It's something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. Oh, oh, we come alive. We come alive. Oh, we come alive. Tell me that you want me.
Alright, I'm waiting this vlog. I'm gonna go relax the rest of the night. Well, technically I'm not. I'm gonna go edit this video because I'm gonna do a week-long cleaning video and a week-long laundry routine. So I'm gonna get this video edited so it gives me a little bit of grace period so I can film those for you. But yeah. So I'll see y'all next time in my next video. Give me a thumbs up if you like these kind of videos. And hope you guys have a wonderful day, wonderful night, depends on when you are watching this, and I'll see y'all next time.